Hi, before we do begin today, I would like to put out a bit of an arachnophobia warning, as today we'll be asking the question, are tarantulas truly spiders? But before we do begin, roll the intro. Spiders are the sometimes terrifying, sometimes adorable members of the arachnid family, who are considered as nightmarish for some. However, it is debatable whether some of the largest of them should even be counted amongst their numbers: tarantulas. What are sometimes called true spiders belong to a group known as arachnomorphs, whereas tarantulas belong to the sister taxa megalomorphs. Though very closely related, the megalomorphs are considered to be more basal, a more primitive form of spider, with the earliest discovered megalomorphs dating as far back as the Triassic. They also exhibit some key morphological and ecological differences to their arachnomorph cousins. One of the major morphological differences between the arachnomorphs and the megalomorphs are the fangs. Tarantula fangs point downwards from their chelicerae. These are called paraxial fangs, and then stab into their target, injecting venom. True spiders, on the other hand, have fangs which move inwards towards each other, like a set of venom-injecting pincers. These are called diaxial fangs. Another well-known behaviour of the arachnomorph true spiders is their tendency to construct webs. This behaviour is, however, also observed in megalomorphs, though the web structures are often of a very different design and purpose. A significant morphological difference is also evident in the shape of their web-producing structures, the spinnerets. Typically, megalomorphs have long finger-like spinnerets at the tip of their abdomen, usually in sets of 4, with 2 longer, easily visible spinnerets and 2 smaller ones beneath. Arachnomorphs, on the other hand, have proportionately smaller spinnerets, which are far more compact. Ecologically, webs play very different roles in the hunting behaviour of megalomorphs. True spiders we have observed to make webs in order to trap their prey. However, megalomorphs use their webs often as an extension of their spatial awareness, sensing vibrations along web strands in order to locate their prey and move in for the kill. On average, megalomorphs are usually longer lived, with some species, such as the Goliath bird-eater, living up to 25 years in captivity and growing to be about a foot across. An interesting point of note with megalomorphs is their homogeneity. There are comparatively few unique species of tarantula, whereas the arachnomorphs comprise nearly 90% of the 8-legged web spinners. With all of their unusual features, it may, therefore, seem to be doing a disservice to tarantulas to simply call them spiders. But in truth, it all comes down to definition, and where we choose to draw the line of what is and isn't a spider, as despite being of 2 separate infraorders, both Arachnomorphae and Megalomorphae are members of the Arachnae order. So, are tarantulas spiders? Sort of. It kind of depends on where you choose to draw the line of distinction, be it at the infraorder level or the order level. And that does sadly bring us to the end, but thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please do share, like and subscribe, and carry on learning. Bye!